go down now. City lights of Doha. Yeah, yung city lights. It's 4 AM in Doha. Kasi we're just three-seater, and we are just baby and I on the three-seater. It's not too much full on this Qatar Airways. Wow, it's